All right, we hear them. Over here to the north.
We need to hide somewhere. All right, what are we doing here? We're getting ready to whack some crows. We're hiding from out of the sun. Man, if they come in, I'm gonna get them with this 3.5-inch shells. You know what? All right, let's get in the shade. Oh, here they are, right here to the south.
They just took off.
Oh, yeah. They're gonna come overhead, but they ain't gonna fall for this shit again. You know what? They're gonna come in overhead, so. Hey, look. Let me just hide like right here. Yeah, let's hide. Oh, there's one right there. Right there, I can get him. Oh yeah, I can get him. I can get him easy. Oh, this is gonna fucking hurt, dude.
Yeah,
There's one over there. They're everywhere. This shit's gonna fucking hurt. Here, ready? I'm over here cussing on camera. I don't really care.
You want me to get over here? Well, you can't really shoot this way.
Here they come back around.
We'll just pull the trigger?
Yeah, and then don't go too long, right?
Over there, he's going away.
You got that tree over there.
I don't think they really spotted us or paid attention because we weren't calling yet.
Should have shot that one when we flew over.
Mm-hmm.
Here, let me see it. Turn on distress. Turn on baby distress. Here, crow baby distress. There we go. You get everywhere, you know what?
Yeah.
That's he's recording.
You guys recording?
Oh, they're gonna come now. I had a chance, that one went right overhead, man. Its sun is brutal.
Yeah. You need like a cloudy day or a cloud blocking the sun.
That didn't hurt at all.
Peppered him. He came in and landed.
I missed it.
Yeah, you hit that tree limb.
Did I?
Yeah, he came in and landed. I
Shut
shot.
the fuck up over there.
He came in low or something because I didn't see him sooner.
I should have been watching that way. That's the one way we'll go.
Well, I was watching, but he came in below the truck.
How did I not get him?
You hit the tree limbs?
Yeah, but goddamn with baby. It didn't hurt at all.
I think you might have stung him with a few. But
Here comes another one. That's right. They're in that tree, pine.
there's still some to the north and south. They're hollering back. They're over there in your oak behind the double wide, or your property. They're actually down kind of low.
Well, I had 2 chances, but whatever.
You want to walk out back a little bit?
That BB should have fucking caught up with him quick, you know? I don't care if it is 100 yards. Oh well, we quit for now. I got till the 28th.